Okay, so let us have this problem. Although natakal ni sa statics or sa strength of materials ba ninyo, Trusses, atong i-recall ang how to solve support reactions. Okay, so we have two methods yun sa Trusses. We have the joint method and the section method. So here we are given with truss shown. So diri nga portion that these are 2.4 meters, 2.4 and 2.4. Ang distance po ani that is 2.4 also and 2 meters vertical with a load of 10 newtons. Okay, so for number 1, compute the stress at section 3. Okay, so before na ito makompute ang stress ng section 3, kinahanglan na ito makuha ang angle beta. So kung makita na ito, no, project na ito ng duha ka points. Okay, that is 2 meters and duha ka 2.4. So this is 4.8. Okay, so beta buha na to siya by tangent. So beta is inverse tan 2 over 4.8. So beta is 22.62 degrees. Okay, so for this type of problem, since ang ato ang gipangita nga force within sa member, ang member is nasa inner part, no, which is section 3. So kung nasa inner, mas convenient na gamito na to ang section method. More applicable ang joint method kung ang imuhang member nga ginakomputan og internal force na dool pod sa joint. So for this one, we'll use the section method. Okay, so if we cut mag-cut ta sa tunga. So we have 10 Newton. Okay, so if you sum up, kung ato ning i-consider as x, okay, so ma-expose nimo ang section 3, in which kung dili ka mag-sum up og moment using section method, counterclockwise equal to clockwise. So this is supposed to be a compression. Okay, okay, so this is supposed to be a compression. So summation moment at x, at point x equal to 0, we have a 10 Newton multiplied by the distance na duha ka 2.4, that is 4.8. So kani, you have beta na to 3, section 3, that is the portion 3 or section 3 sine beta kung sign opposite niya, so maka-form siya moment sa x sin 22.62 times 2.4 plus the cosine, so ang adjacent sa angle, still the distance from x is 2.4. This is 2.4, this is 2.4. Okay, compute. So section 3 pilay iyahang internal force, that is 15.29 Newton. Okay. So let's proceed with number 2, stress at section 1. So how do we compute section 1? Still we can cut, makakat gihapon ta. Let's say this is z, kakain na mo ni si x. Ang gipungita is section 1, so this one, then atong ingnon nga kani is y. We have the 10 Newton load. So summation moment at y equal to 0. Dili ka mag-sum up og moment. Summation of moment at y equal to 0. So if you have a 10 Newton times distance 2.4, which is this one, equal to this one. This is supposed to, if this is clockwise, counterclockwise, this should be tension. So this is 1 multiplied by 2.4. So cancel, therefore pareha og magnitude, no, sa load si section 1. Okay, this is for number 1, this is for number 2. Then last, we have stress at section 2. So how do we compute stress at section 2? Still pwede na to siya ma-compute by cutting, no? Summation moment at z equal to 0. So if this is compression, kung i-assume na to na mo counter sila tanan sa 10, so i-assume na lang na to ni siya nga si number 2 na compression po. Anyway, we will still get the same value kung dili mao yang direction. Okay, so if dili pareha yung direction, ang dili mao ang direction, pwede na to i-change. Kung negative siya, therefore ato i-change ang direction. So summation moment at z, that is the 10 Newton, which is at point z counterclockwise, equal to sorry to 10 Newton times distance 2.4 is equal to, ang component sa number 3 kay na, which is 15.29 cosine 22.62. Kung ang iyang sign dili na ta maka-moment dire, kay kuha naman siya along with point z. So 15.29 cosine 22.62 times 2.4 plus man the horizontal component of 2, so 0.2 cosine 45 times 2.4. So pila man using your calculator. So that is negative 5.82 Newton. So since kuan man siya negative, so dapat di ay tension siya instead of compression. Dapat si 2 is 5.82 Newton tension.